Lathe Demo Part. Insert the workpiece into the chuck and tighten it securely. Set the spindle speed to 2500 RPM. Move the cutting tool close to the face of the workpiece. Advance 0.2 millimeters in the negative Z direction, then move toward the center in the negative X direction until all paint has been removed from the face. Press the 0Z button to set the workpiece face as the Z-axis 0 point. Touch the cutting tool to the outer surface of the workpiece, then tap Go Z0. Move 0.2 millimeters in the negative X direction. Machine 10 millimeters in the negative Z direction at a feed rate of 200 millimeters per minute. Repeat this process 3 times. After the final pass, press 0X to set the current X position as 0. Next, move the tool away from the workpiece in the positive Z direction. Then tap Go X0. Measure the diameter of the machined section. Move in the negative X direction by half of the measured diameter. Then press 0X to set this position as the new X-axis 0 point. Navigate to Load File, Desktop, Demo Parts, Lathe. Then open the lathe-demo.nc program. If you would like to review the toolpath before machining, use the Preview button in the panel at the bottom of the screen. Tap Run and watch Rownd machine the part. Thank you for watching.